Welcome to this lab prompt design in Vertex AI, and it's a challenge lab. So this time you will have to figure out all the steps yourself, but don't worry, I will guide you through how to complete this lab step by step. So in the task 1, you need to build a Gemini image analysis tool. First of all, we will start off with Vertex AI. You need to create a few prompts here. So now this Vertex AI Studio is open. We have to switch this model first. Go to use the given here is the Gemini 2.0/001, and then in the region, make sure you choose the region that is provided in your instruction page, which in my case I have to use US Central one. In your case may be different. And then because this is an untitled prompt, you need to give this prompt a name and follow the instruction page. That is the name that I have to provide. Simba product analysis. So in this prompt, we need to get an image which is located here. That's the image. And in this image, what kind of prompt you want them to do. So in this prompt, you can say describe the image in 20 words. Let's run it. Okay, so this is the output. A hiking backpack rests beside a path with colorful wildflower and a map in a mountainous landscape. I think this is good enough. We can save now. So right here you see that is yep, sometimes this will take time to load for the region. Yep, choose the right region and click save. So for the first time when you save this prompt, it will take some time. So I will advise you to wait patiently. I will pause this video first and come back when it's ready. I've been waiting for more than 1 minute and you can see this is coming out. Okay, it's done, so I can check my progress now. Yeah, it's successful. We can move on to task 2. Build a Gemini tagline generator. So this is you need to start with a new prompt again. Press continue and create a prompt. First of all, you have to give the system instruction. This one is a little bit different, so we have to use add example here. So click on the add example, and in the input, this is what we're going to give, and then this is the output, what we want the output to be. Add the example, and you need to give this input a name. Let's give it, I copy this one from the same input section. Okay, so you need to provide some prompt as well, which are already pre-created. You can get it from the description later on. So this is what I want to give as a prompt, and then the name of the template is this one. Right, it's saving now. Let's run. Oh, before I run that, make sure you use the Gemini Flash 001 and the region which is we used before. Let's check my progress. Yep, it works. Task 3, experiment with image analysis code. So now we're going to use a workbench because we have to use Jupyter Lab. Let's open the Jupyter Lab. This also will take some time, please be patient. So now we go to the file, new notebook. And use the default selected. Let's rename this notebook. You can get the name from the instruction page. Yep, that's it. And then go to use another new terminal. Because we need to install some kits library. So we go to the Simba product analysis and then get the code from here, and this will be Python. Yeah, this is where we will need to install the SDK, and I'll paste it a lot. Yep, that's done. Now we copy this line and go back to the image here and paste it and run. Is it running? Yep, it is. So you can see this is the output. Now we will want to we want to modify the prompt. So this is the prompt we want to modify. You can paste the one that you copy from the instruction page and run again. Yep, and this time you get a different output. So you should save it. Now let's check my progress. We can't complete the step because there's a small mistake here, so we have to change this to this prompt. Okay, I get it from the instruction page as well, and save it and run it. Yep. And now it is successful. So in the task 4 experiment with tagline generation code, now we need to create a new notebook. Go back to your file, new notebook. Use the default. We get an error. This error is saying here, invalid argument, unable to submit request because it has maximum output of 65535. So you'll have to do something about it. So we have to change this maximum output token. Previously it was 65535, and after we change it to 2048 and run, yeah, I get something back and no error message. Make sure you also have already added this line. This is the last part of the lab. Last input, this one. Specifically request that the tagline include the keywords nature. Okay, so let's save this now. So we get error because the file name is incorrect, so we have to change this file name to use the right file extension, rename, save. Yeah, it should be all good now. So I can mark this as finish. Yep, it's all done. And congratulations, you can end the lab now.